How to enable cross-posting between Facebook and Instagram. If you want to publish the same content on both Facebook and Instagram at the same time, this video will show you how to enable cross-posting in Meta Business Suite. First, open Meta Business Suite and sign in to your Meta account. Make sure your Facebook page and Instagram account are already connected. Now, click on Create Post from the home page or the left side menu. Select both your Facebook page and Instagram account. Create your post by adding your text, photos, or videos. Review your post, then click on Publish or Schedule if you want to post it later. Your content will now be shared on both Facebook and Instagram at the same time. That's how you can enable cross-posting between Facebook and Instagram in Meta Business Suite. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.